Hey guys, welcome back, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to give admin access to another user. So first you want to go to your server and click on this one in the top left corner here and go to server settings. Once you're there, go to roles under overview right here, and if you don't have a admin role yet, so you need to create one. So you just need to click on this button, create role button. Let's name it admin, just like so. You could also change the colors if you want. So for me, let's say I want to make it yellow. Click save changes, and after that you could turn this on if you want to, so that it can display role members separately from online members. Next, after you're done with that, go to permissions right here. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom till you see the advanced permissions where it says administrator, and you just need to turn that on. Click on save changes. So as you can see, members with this permission will have every permission and will also bypass all channel specific permissions or restrictions. So this is a dangerous permission to grant, so make sure that you trust someone that you will give this certain administrator rights. And once you're done with that, you can just easily add members for this role by going to manage members. So as you can see, you just click on add members, and it's up to you what or who member you would like to add here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.